Hey guys, how are you all? Samsung will soon launch a 5G smartphone which is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. So the posters and the retail box pictures have been leaked online. The retail box also reveals the key specification of the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G like 6GB RAM, 128GB storage and an octa-core processor which in all likelihood is the Snapdragon 855. The smartphone will flaunt a Full HD Plus Infinity U Super AMOLED display measuring 170.3 mm diagonally, which translates to 6.7 inch. The Galaxy A90 5G will come with a 32MP selfie camera and sport a triple camera setup at the back comprising of 48MP primary lens plus 5MP of depth sensor and 8MP of ultra wide angle lens. The retail box doesn't reveal the battery capacity of the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, but it does confirm 25W fast charging support. There is no word from Samsung yet about the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, but it shouldn't be too long now before the South Korean tech giant makes it official. So this is all we know and received the information about the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. What do you feel about this phone? Please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends and please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.